Many people are way too bearish about technological disruption. They have too little imagination, confidence, and, yes, optimism about the level of change and abundance we're going to see. These new Luddites remind me of long-forgotten sects that promote anti-technologist views such as electricity is by the devil, the internet will never be used commercially, or there is no world market for computers. Technological disruption is going to disrupt and transform our world in ways we can barely begin to imagine. Let's start with humanoid robots. The humanoid form factor allows us to easily integrate them into every physical space we as humans currently obtain: factories, offices, buildings, streets, cars, and so on. These are not just any robots, but highly intelligent agents that, together with scale, will revolutionize both physical and mental labor. The cost of intelligent labor is on a steep exponential decline, and it's changing everything. Remember, intelligent labor has been the bottleneck of our economy for thousands of years. As we became more efficient in scaling intelligent labor, our lives has changed drastically already, and it has just started. Look at investments in tech giants like Tesla and Nvidia. The asset values are growing exponentially. Growth charts of tech giants range decades. It isn't just a short-term trend, it's a paradigm shift. As AI chips and training become more widespread, every device around us will become intelligent, aware, and capable of understanding its environment. Imagine a world where every single device is not just smart, but intelligent. We'll be injecting this intelligence into everything, from our homes to our cities, creating an environment that's ubiquitously smart. One of the most fascinating aspects of this transformation is the declining cost curves. AI training costs are reducing by about 70% each year. This means that the bottleneck of intelligent labor, which has held back humanity for so long, is being resolved, and not just once, but continuously. Everything will keep getting cheaper, leading to unprecedented levels of abundance. Imagine you're a business owner, and your employees are getting 70% cheaper next year, and the year after, they'll be getting 70% cheaper once again. Wouldn't this completely change your business and scale you can go after? Energy is another key player in this revolution. Technologies like solar energy and renewables are already on declining cost curves. With each doubling of the installed cumulative capacity, the price of solar panels declined by 20%. Solar energy is now the cheapest form of energy in many parts of the world, and it gets cheaper with every deployment. Combine this with advances in battery technology, and we're looking at a future where energy is abundant and inexpensive. So what does this mean for us? The combination of cheaper, intelligent labor and abundant energy will lead to a level of wealth and abundance that's hard to imagine. We're on the brink of a new era where the possibilities are endless. For investors, this is a golden opportunity. The massive wealth generated in the upcoming decades will reshape the investment landscape. We're talking about creating wealth on a scale that we've never seen before. Companies that benefit from the expansion of humanoid robots stand to gain tremendously. Imagine deploying 1 billion robots, or even 10 billion, one for every human on the planet. This is barely smartphone scale of product distribution. Instead of having a workforce of 1 billion humans, we have 10 billion robots working for us. This is the scale of intelligent manual labor we're talking about. Robots can build oases in the desert if we run out of ideas on how to deploy all that intelligent labor. So, who will produce these robots? Think about Tesla. If they were to produce just 10% of these robots, that would mean 1 billion robots. If each robot is sold for an average of $20,000, we're looking at a revenue of $20 trillion. That's just one company benefiting from this shift. Other companies to watch include firms specializing in AI chips and training, like Nvidia and AMD. These companies are crucial in providing the computational power needed for intelligent robots. As the demand for AI capabilities grows, so does the potential for these companies to scale and increase their market value exponentially. Furthermore, companies involved in the development of intelligent environments, smart homes, smart cities, and interconnected devices will see a significant rise in value. Firms like Alphabet, through Google and Amazon, are already leading the charge in creating these intelligent ecosystems. Let's not forget energy technology companies. With solar and renewable energy becoming cheaper, Companies like Tesla, with its solar and battery divisions, and other renewable energy firms are poised to benefit immensely. Their role in providing affordable energy solutions will be critical in supporting the infrastructure for intelligent robots and devices. Imagine a future with 3 humanoid robots for every human on Earth. 24 billion humanoids. If each robot rents for only $100 per month, compared to $2,000 per month you'd have to pay for human labor, and robotics companies like Nvidia and Tesla achieve an 80% profit margin, the industry's annual profit would be $24 trillion. If Tesla or Nvidia capture 20% of this market, they each make $5 trillion in profit. With a valuation at 30 times earnings, Tesla's stock could more than 200x in 1 or 2 decades. Next, consider AI chips in every device. With thousands of AI chips per humanoid, Nvidia could sell trillions of AI chips annually. Even with a $1 profit per chip, they generate trillions in annual profit, increasing their market cap by 1 or 2 orders of magnitude. Self-driving cars, intelligent lawyers, doctors, factory workers, then politicians, all 100% based on AI, could revolutionize our economic output. This explosion in productivity could cause the prices of rare assets like gold, real estate, rare art, or Bitcoin to skyrocket. In an abundant world, rarity becomes valuable, and Bitcoin, with its fixed supply, stands out as synthetically rare. Energy is another critical component. With declining costs in solar and renewable energy, companies like Tesla are well positioned to benefit. Cheaper energy means lower production costs, making all products more affordable and enhancing quality. Focusing on companies driving the expansion of humanoid robots, AI development, and renewable energy can position investors to benefit from massive wealth generation in the coming decades. Tesla, Nvidia, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft remain key players to watch. Scarce monetary goods like Bitcoin that can also be used by AIs for internet-native transactions and commerce are likely to appreciate significantly with the abundance of wealth they will create for humanity. The world is changing. Will you be on the right side of change with Finxter? Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.